Ndewo, kekeme. Aha m bụ Ijeọma, onye na-ewetara gị nkụzi Igbo. Okay? Aha m bụ Ijeọma, onye na-ewetara gị nkụzi Igbo. Taa anyị ga-eme 4 simple requests in Igbo. Okay? Simple requests in Igbo. 4. Okay? Mechaa ya, njụọ gị ajụjụ. Okay? So nke mbụ, bịa. Bịa. So Biko, bịa. Please come. Okay? Biko, bịa. Okay? Nke abụọ, gaa. Gaa. Biko, gaa. Okay? Those are clear, isn't it? Please go. Gaa. Okay? Nke atọ, nyem. Nyem, biko. Please give me. Nyem, give. Nyem, biko. Okay? So, nyem akpam, biko. Give me my bag, please. Okay? Nyem akpam, biko. Okay? Nke anọ, were. Take. Were. Biko, were. Please take. Were. Okay? Now is your turn. Okay? So, how do you say give or give me? Well done if you say nyem. And how do you say go? Ga. Well done. Okay? All right. Okay. So before I leave, I want to remind you that the Igbo Speakers Bootcamp is open. Okay? I know some of you have been waiting. Okay, you've been on the wait list, waiting for it to be open. Like I said, this is the last bootcamp of the year, and this is my my group coaching. Is a mini group, just 6 people in a group. Okay, I coach you Igbo language. You come on, and on our live sessions, you get to practice your Igbo speaking. Okay, so you get video, you get audio, and you get written materials to learn with. Okay, and if there's any topic in the bootcamp, any topic that you don't find in the bootcamp, you can request it and I'll put it in there. Okay, so you're free to register now. I'll leave a link below this video for you to find out how to join. Okay, registration is open, but it's not going to be open like forever. It's going to close at some point. So if you're ready to speak Igbo in 2019 or 2020, because 2020 is already here, if you want to be speaking Igbo by 2020, then you need to be in that bootcamp. Okay, typically my clients are people that their husbands are Igbo and they're speaking Igbo and they want to speak Igbo as well and they want to teach their children. Okay, so if that is you, do not waste any more time. Use the link below and join us in the bootcamp. I got home.